Hi folks, Heath Grossman here for Money Wisdom Question Series. Today's question is, what should I do with my tax refund? According to IRS filing data, the average tax refund is about $350 higher this tax season compared to last year. Now, whether you receive a small amount of money or a larger payout, what you do with your tax refund could impact your long-term financial stability. While your first impulse might be to spend it, consider putting your money to smarter use. Here are 5 smart moves you can make. Number 1, pay off high interest debt, or really any debt for that matter. If you have some degree of credit card debt or some other type of loan that you're trying to pay off, now that you got a little bit of extra money in your pocket, maybe start to pay off that debt, maybe make a payment towards that. This will help pay less interest over the long haul on that debt. Number 2, contribute to your retirement account or any other type of investment account if you've already maxed out other retirement accounts. You know, there's limitations on what you can put into a Roth IRA or traditional IRA, so maybe do that. But if you're contributing to an employer-sponsored plan, which is done through payroll, maybe increase your contribution to that plan. So you'll have less in your paycheck for a little bit, but now you got more money in your pocket because of that refund. It sort of balances each other out. Number 3, fund an HSA account, kind of along the lines of what I was talking about with the employer-sponsored retirement account. Maybe increase your contribution to an HSA account. That's tax deductible for you, and if you use that money ultimately for out-of-pocket medical expenses, it's tax-free for you. It's a great type of account. Number 4, build or add to your emergency fund. It is good, prudent financial planning to make sure you have some money off to the side in an emergency fund, just in the bank, cash, savings account, something of that nature, right? Emergencies do happen, things come up. It's good to have that money off to the side to be able to take care of that. And so rule of thumb is to have about 3 to 6 months of expenses off to the side. Now, there's psychology involved in this too. I've certainly met people over the years that just feel like they want to have more off to the side, and that is good, that's fine. So maybe you want to be building up or adding to that emergency fund. Number 5, maybe make a charitable contribution, right? Maybe there might be organizations that you care about, you want to help further their mission, but also for some folks, if you are 70 and a half or older, there are better ways to make charitable contributions to make it work for you from a tax standpoint. Keep in mind, even though a refund can feel like a bonus, it really means that you had too much withheld from your income. I like to really call it really what it is. It's an overpayment, right? I use overpayment or underpayment when it comes to these things, as opposed to refund or having to pay taxes. If you regularly receive a large refund, overpayment, consider adjusting your withholding with the guidance of a tax professional. Remember, the federal or state government does not really give you interest on that money. They'll give it back to you. But if it's up to me, I'd rather have that money in my pocket on a regular basis throughout the year. So once again, this is Heath Grossman for your Money Wisdom question of the day. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, definitely give us a like and share it with a friend.